In this video, I'll show you how you can hide your game activity in Discord. Now first, what you want to do is you want to head over to your settings. Now from in here, you want to scroll down until you find activity settings. From in here, go to activity privacy. Now these two, you want to make sure that they are turned off. Share detect activity with others, turn it off, and by default when joining live servers, turn it off. Yes. Now when these are turned off, people can no longer see the game that you're playing, and that's about it, guys. Now if you turn them back on, obviously people can see it again, and you can come in here, register games, and you can see what the game will be showing on your account. And you can also hide it in here, obviously, if there's a specific game that you don't want to be shown. So that's how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.